you go. Go see April? So you're outside, huh? Hey, you're right, the ground's wet. My butt's on it. Just hit video and let it go. I'll edit what's good and what's bad out of it. Look at you, Chewy. He looks yellow. He's going to be shedding before lunch. He'll be shedding pretty soon. Here, come here. Oh. Hi. Look at the length of him. Can you get all of him in there? I don't think you can. Why are you upside down? Hey. Why are you upside down? Huh? Hey. Hello. That breeze is nice. You okay? Are you okay? Yeah. Go see April? There we go. Get your tail on the sheet. We're having an issue with ticks up here lately, so that's why I've got him out on a sheet today. There you go. Yeah, he's yellow. He's going to be shedding about 2 or 3 weeks. It takes him a whole month to prime for a shed. There you go. There you go. Where are you going? Gonna go see April? We can't get on the grass. I don't want ticks on my snake. No, can't get on the grass. Can't get on the grass, buddy. Don't want any ticks on you. No, I don't. He's probably the biggest coastal carpet python there is in America. He's over 11 feet now. Hey, come here. Oh, oh my gosh, you're way of time. Oh, you're upside down again. Why you keep doing that? There you go. There you go. Say hi, April. Tell April hi. There's the sun. There's the sunshine. Hey, I like my new hat.
Nice.
Look how pretty his belly scales are. What you doing? Huh? Go see April. Go say hi to April. Yeah, I don't know what his thing with is going in reverse lately. He's been doing it for about a year now. There, go see April. There you go. Oh, he's so pretty. He's so handsome. Yes, you are. You're a handsome young man. This is Chewy. Everybody should know who he is by now. He's quite popular. Purple tongue and all. No, you can't get on the grass. No grass. I don't want ticks on you. Can't do it. We can't do that. No. Go see April. My hair grew a lot over the winter. Go see April. See, ordinarily a tick wouldn't be attracted to a snake because they're cold-blooded, but being outside in the sun and the heat warming his body up would make them attracted to him. But under ordinary circumstances, they wouldn't be attracted to a snake because they're cold-blooded. But they can get them. Look how yellow he looks because he's going to be shedding. There he comes. There comes your friend. You going to see April? Here we go. You going to go see April? He knows everybody. Look at the length on him. He's well over the 11 feet now. He loves leather. He loves feet and he loves shoes. Can you get a full body shot of him up this way?
No.
Maybe, so you can see his length?
It won't.
No.
Don't go any farther, dude.
No grass. Don't you go potty on me. Uh-oh. Okay, I can take a hint. There it goes. That's why I want it off the sheet.
What you doing, Chewbot?
I'm getting ready to poop on Mom's sandal. There you go. He has to be touching someone to use a bathroom outdoors. Isn't that weird? And he's going to blow out here on me. Potty time. He's always got it. There it goes. He's got to be touching someone to use a bathroom outdoors. It's really strange. I think it's because he feels insecure. You should be about due to poop. You ate 3 big rats over the past 2 weeks. No, just gotta pee. Don't poop on my sheet, please. Yeah, my butt got wet sitting on the damn grass. That's okay. All better? Huh? Is that all better?
You can't go in the grass there, dude.
Oh. There's my man. This is my soulmate. This is my honey. You're lazy today. Just laying around. Look how their skin reflects all the colors of the rainbow. It's really cool. Hey. Hey. Hi. Sunshine. Sunshine. He's lazy today. You're moving slow. I can see his heart beating. There we go. Okay. He's being lazy today. Oh, you want to come back to me now? Okay. Come on. Lap snakes. All my snakes are lap snakes. Yes, you are. You can't get on the grass. We got ticks. No grass. Come here. Come here. Do it this way. There we go. There. My soulmate. He's as big around as my shoulder. Look at that. There. What you doing? It's not warming up yet, but it's starting to warm his skin a little bit. It's not that hot right now. That's my love. This is the love of my life. Yes, he is. Where are you going? Oh, that put you down nose first. I'm sorry. Hey. Hey, handsome. Yes, you are. Hey, handsome. It's my sweetheart. I'm Mama's boy. I'm Mama's boy. Here I am. Look at all the pretty colors of the rainbow on his skin. Go see April. Go see April. You gonna do it again? Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, you're killing my shoulder. There. He's gonna take off now. He woke up. So I'm awake. I'm awake now. Alright. Yeah, he woke up. He's up and going now. There you go. Back to normal. The sun finally warmed him up. You love that April, don't you? Huh? You love April? Think you got a friend, April.
Hmm.
Me too. Hi, Jew. Oh, not on my sheet. Oh, no, 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 no. Not on the sheet. There. On the ground. There you go. I called that one, didn't I? He gonna poop this time. Oh, my noisy pee you got there going up. Oh. Somebody else is pooping rocks today, huh? I just washed his enclosure down because he peed in it, so now he's gonna have a nice clean enclosure to go back into when he goes in. Push it. You got it. Push it. Don't push it out like that. Your intestines don't belong on the outside of you. Ooh, that's a tough one. You don't need a prolapse. There it goes. You got it. We don't need a prolapse problem. Carpet pythons are known for having prolapse issues. It's when their intestines come out with their stool. I don't know why, but a lot of them have had problems with it. There, you're all better. You got that big one out. Bring you outside, use the bathroom, huh?
It's going in the grass.
Huh? Yeah. There. You want to go back in? April's probably ready to go back.
I just wanted to stand up.
Oh, he's going to let me up now. Of course you are. You want to go back in the house? He just started waking up, warming up. So nice. Don't go on my sheet. Wait. Here. Tell you what we'll do. We'll do this. I don't want any ticks on you. Let's go back in there. You can't go in there sideways, okay? He's just so big. He doesn't know how to manipulate himself anymore because he's so large. Bring your tail in. Come on. Come on. He's huffing. He's getting warm. That was good. That was good. You got to go potty outside instead of in your enclosure. There we go. Ready to go in the house? Want to go in?